So right now you have learned the difference between a product and an offer. How do we actually do to put together a high value irresistible offer, right? So in this video, I want to talk about 6 components you need to have an irresistible offer. The first one is the deliverable. You want to put together a really high value deliverable. It can be your book, it can be your course, it can be your training, it can be your coaching program, but you want to make sure it's really high value. And when you are communicating your offer, you want to talk about the benefit, not the feature. Not, oh, you get the book, you get the members area. No, you want to talk about what are the benefits they're going to get. What are the things they are going to learn? What are the transformation they are going to experience? You want to talk about the benefit. And also, if you can provide a really high value package here, when you reveal the price, it should be a no-brainer for them to say no, right? So you should say that, hey, you get so much value and it's only $100, right? So ideally, this part, the deliverable, should be 10 times more valuable than the price. So when people see your price, they say, yeah, that's a no-brainer. It's a steal. I should take advantage of this offer. Then also you can add some bonus to make your offer more sexy, right? So I know there are some friends of mine, they will buy things because of the bonus, right? They buy the movie ticket because they want the doll, they want the mug they are giving away. So if you can have a really high value bonus, you can make your offer even more irresistible. And also, if you can provide some payment plans, right? You make people easy to join because sometimes they don't want to pay the things in full, then they can choose those payment plan. Or you can offer some trial period so that they try out everything before making the decision. And also you can provide some guarantee because there are so many scammers on the internet right now. Some people will feel, wow, they'll feel insecure when you are making a buying decision. So you can say, wow, it's a totally safe decision to make. Right? We offer like 30 days money back guarantee. So you can offer that as well. And even though you may face some people, they will ask for a refund after they buy the product for a few days, right? But you can increase the sale and the money you make from this should be way more than the people who come to you to ask for a refund. So don't worry about that. And also you want to provide them a reason to buy now. So you can even provide some bonus. It's only for action taker. Or you can show them this is a limited time offer so that if they don't take advantage now, they will miss this opportunity for good. So that's a 6 different way for you to make your offer irresistible. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.